So let's look at how gears can speed up motion. Okay, we'll start with our motor, and we will plug it, use these pins to pin it into our essential hub. Okay, once we've done that, we need to take one of these connector beams, this magenta connector beam, and we attach it into the motor. Now the reason we've done that is because we want it to be the same height as the motor. You can see it's flush to the motor. Then we'll take an axle and place it into the motor, and that is going to rotate. Now I'm going to take two of these pins and just pin them into our magenta connector beam, and this allows me to place the 15 beam across the axle that's going to be driving. So let's have a look at what actually happens when we put some gears into it. So this is, let's start off by just showing you the speed of it without any gears. In fact, let's place this onto it so you can just maybe see the speed. So that's the speed of it without any gears, okay? So then if we take a larger gear, so in this case the grey Z28 gear with its 28 teeth, and I choose a smaller gear, the tan 20 gear, making sure they mesh. I forgot to use the longer pin with the axle connectors. I'm using the longer pin with the axle connectors so I can place this in there. So let's see, has the speed changed? Yeah. So you can see that it is going faster. Let's try with a different gear again. Let's look at what happens if you have the smaller gear driving a slightly bigger gear. This is called gearing down. You can see that it drives a whole lot slower. So if you want speed, you want the largest gear driving a smaller gear, and that will give you more speed.